it's Miss Becky and Alyssa again, and we are going to show you a fun thing that you can do. We're doing transportation this week, and so we're going to make cardboard tube ramps for our cars. If you guys have cars like this at home, they're super fun to play with, as I'm sure you know. And so we're going to make some ramps for our cars to use. And what you would need is a long tube from wrapping paper. So I just took that tube. I had to roll all the wrapping paper off of it first. And then I took the tube, and this would be a grown-up job to cut that tube in half, okay, right on both sides. And then I decided, well, it would be fun to make some smaller ramps too. So if you have a paper towel roll, you can do the same thing with a paper towel roll. And we did the same thing. I prepared that by cutting that in half. So that again is a grown-up job. And this is a pretty simple and fun one to do. What we're gonna do is make this look like a street outside. And usually the street that cars drive on is black, right, Alyssa?
Yeah.
I did not have black paint. So we're gonna get a little creative here, and we're gonna make one of them blue and one of them brown. Okay, Alyssa, which one do you want to paint? The blue one or the brown one?
Blue.
Blue, okay. So Alyssa, you can work on this one.
Okay.
And you can just paint the whole thing blue. And I'm going to paint brown on mine. Okay, so we have painted the insides. We didn't really worry about the outside so much, but we painted the insides, and now we have to wait for that to dry before we do our next step. So we'll see you in a few minutes when that's dry. It's the next day, and our cardboard ramps, we're gonna continue making these. These dried overnight, and we made one brown one blue one, and then with our paper towel roll, we also did one color of each. And I noticed when I came back to work with them that they had kind of curled a little bit, and I was a little bit worried about that. But I have some good news, and that is that if yours curled after you painted it, you can kind of open it up a little bit and work with it, maybe get a grown-up to help you to kind of straighten it out a little bit. These, you can kind of play with them and make them work with you the way you want them. And so that's one little tip that I found. We are not quite done with them before we're gonna put our cars very soon on them, but there's one more thing we have to do to make these look a little bit more like a ramp. If you see the street outside or a road, often it has these dotted lines down the middle of the road. And so we want to make our ramps look even more like the street outside. So we're gonna take a piece of chalk. You could also use white paint, but we're gonna try it with chalk and see how it goes. And just like these, I'm gonna start it, Alyssa, and then you can keep going, okay? Make one little line there, and then a space and another little line, and a space and another little line. You want to keep going, Alyssa? Take your piece of chalk and just make little lines all the way down our ramps. So that's the next step here. Okay, so we are done putting chalk on our street, and what we remembered is sometimes roads have a solid line all the way down. So if you would rather, Alyssa really wanted to make a solid line down this one, so we did that. And then we also made some kind of jagged dotted lines, and this one too. So they're ready to go, and now we get to play with them. Is that the best part, Alyssa?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So now we're gonna take our ramps. Now we have different sizes, so we have to figure out where in our house, and your house might be different, but we're gonna think of some places where we can put these ramps that it'll be a lot of fun, okay? Let's see what we can find. Okay, so we're gonna try this out and see how it goes. We're experimenting, and you can experiment with chairs in your house. We're gonna try these two long ones coming off of our couch here and see how it works. Do you want to try it with me, Alyssa?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I'm just kind of wedging it up here. I might have to hold it a little bit. Do you want to do it or should I do it?
No.
Alyssa, do it. Which car do you want to use? Pick the car. Okay. You want to stand up here and show them how to do it? Okay. All right. Put your car at the very top. And let's see if it works. That was fun. And it does twist a little bit. So, you know, you can have one person hold it for you, or maybe you can tape it to a chair and then try it that way. I don't know if that would work better. Can I try it? Yeah, let's let it go together. Ready, go. Whoa! I want to see it shoot off the bottom, huh? Here, I'm gonna hold it up here. We're gonna work together, be a good team, okay? Okay, ready? Go. Whoa, that was the best one yet. I wonder if this one works just as well. Can you go get one of those cards? I do this one? Okay. Here it goes. Ready? Whoa, so cool. Are you gonna try it, Alyssa? Your turn. Nice. Good job. Yep. Woo! So fun! Now they go skating across the floor. Now with our paper towel rolls, we haven't, we're gonna see how this works. We decided to put them on our barn here because it was a good height for our ramp. And you can even do races because we have them right next to each other so we can both go at the same time. You wanna try that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's put your car at the top and my car at the top and say ready, set, go. Whoa! Oh, I think you won! Good job! Well, that is really fun. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun.
Oh, I
We're
won!
gonna have a lot of fun playing with our cars and our ramps, and I hope you guys have a really fun time.